Hi, my name is Ben Freer. I'm an immigration lawyer for entrepreneurs. And in this short video, I answered this popular question. The question is, how much does the E2 visa cost? Okay, so for those of you who are unfamiliar with the E2 visa, it's a visa that enables foreign national entrepreneurs to direct and develop a business in the United States after making a qualifying at-risk investment in that business. Now, the good news is that there is no minimum investment amount, but here's the catch. You must show that you've spent enough to make the business successful. Therefore, since every business is different, the qualifying investment amount will vary depending on your business model. If you want guidance on whether your investment will qualify, you should reach out to an immigration lawyer who can give you advice that is tailored to your unique situation. The focus of this video will not be on the required investment amount. Instead, it will focus on the other E2 visa costs that are associated with the application process. There are three main categories of costs that I will address. These include professional fees, visa fees, and reciprocity fees. Okay, so let's first address the immigration lawyer and the business plan writer. The overall cost of your E2 visa process will vary depending on the level of assistance that you receive. So let's quickly go through some of the possible professional fees that you will incur during this process. Now, it's important to note that I don't know exactly what other professionals charge. I certainly haven't conducted any research or surveys, but I am an immigration lawyer that primarily handles E2 cases. Therefore, I'm going to share my general understanding of some of the professional fees that you can expect. Of course, if you've decided to handle these tasks on your own, you can skip this section altogether. Okay, so if you hire an immigration lawyer, you'll probably pay somewhere between $4,000 to $10,000 to assist with the application. No doubt this is a lot of money, but the legal fee can be applied towards the investment total, and working with a quality lawyer should make the process smoother and less stressful. You may also want to hire a business plan writer. A well-organized business plan can make a huge difference in an E2 visa application. Therefore, I typically recommend my clients to obtain a professionally crafted business plan that is tailored to the E2 visa requirements. Based on my conversations with clients and providers, these will typically range from $1,500 to $3,000. So the professional fees will vary, but the visa fees are uniform. When you apply for the E2 visa, the main applicant and each dependent family member will complete their own DS-160 form. After this form is completed, each applicant will be required to pay the visa fee. At the time of this recording, the visa fee is set at $315 per applicant. To check the current fees, head on over to the State Department website where the various visa fees are clearly listed. Now, a lot of people don't only have to worry about the visa fee, they also have to worry about the reciprocity fee. So what is a reciprocity fee and how do I know if I have to pay it? The State Department addresses these questions on their website. They say non-immigrant visa applicants from certain countries may be required to pay a visa issuance fee after their visa application is approved. These fees are based on the principle of reciprocity. When a foreign government imposes fees on U.S. citizens for certain types of visas, the United States will impose a reciprocal fee on citizens of that country for similar types of visas. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that in the E2 visa context. E2 visas work both ways. And if a country charges U.S. citizens for an E2 visa, we will in turn charge their citizens the same fee before they will be issued the visa. To view the reciprocity page that applies to your country, you'll simply look at the visa reciprocity table that is posted by the U.S. Department of State. Once you arrive on this page, you can navigate to your country and then look at the E2 visa column. Now, if you look at the table, you'll see these fees are all over the place, and they vary depending on your country of nationality. For example, the fee for Canada and the UK is currently at $0. The fee for Italy is $198, and the current fee for Australia is a whopping $3,464. And to make matters even worse, the reciprocity fee is due for each applicant. So if you have a family of 4 and you are all using your Australian citizenship to apply for the E2 visa, then you will have to shell out a total of $13,856 before you're issued the visas. Fortunately, you will not be charged this amount until your visa application is approved, but still, there's no getting around the fact that is a ton of money. So to summarize, the typical E2 visa cost at the time of this recording, you can expect to pay between $0 to $13,000 for professional fees, depending on the level of service you require. The visa fee will be $315 per applicant, and the reciprocity fee will range from $0 to over $3,000 depending on your country of nationality. I truly hope that this information was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along to someone who may benefit from it. Thanks so much for your time.